Now let's check how to set the suction testing. This is a water tank. You can pour the water inside. Now we have water. When we ship the machine, we will remove the water. And when you receive the machine, you need to open this cover and pull the water inside. And then there are two sensors here. You can move it up and down. When you want to change the suction test to the higher level, you hold the tube and pull it up or pull it down. When you pull up, it means there's a water suction from here up. If you put this higher, only the water suction comes to the higher level. The machine will judge the product to be okay. If you want to be less sensitive, you can pull it down.